I will be teaching you how to copy an angle. So first what you want to do is you'll want to create a new point anywhere on the paper, and that will be your new point A. And then you'll want to draw a line, which will be the new bottom segment. And then you'll grab your compass, put the point that's not the graphite or the pencil on, and adjust it to whatever width you want, and make a curve going in between this point and this line and this line. And without adjusting the compass, you'll take it over to your newly created line and do the same thing. And once you do that, you have this point that you created there and this point here. So you're going to measure these points with the compass. Make sure they're even, like that. And you're going to take it down here and you're going to mark it. And once you do that, you'll take a ruler, or if you have a straight edge, and you'll mark that. And that will be your new angle. Now we will be constructing a hexagon that is inscribed in a circle. So what you first want to do is you want to create any point anywhere on the paper. Just mark it there, place the point of the compass on the dot, and make any width. I'll do just an average width, and you're going to want to make a circle around that point, and that will be what you're going to do. So now you're going to take the point and you're going to put it on any of the outside edges and put the pencil in the center. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go and you're going to trace an arc into one side of the circle. And now when you do that, you're going to place that on there and make another arc. And you're going to keep doing this until you have 6 arcs around the circle. And once you do that, you are then going to get your straight edge and connect dots, or the points, to all the arcs. And what you should get is a hexagon inscribed in a circle.
So we start off with this angle PQR, and then you place the compass on the angle's vertex, and again you hold it like this, holding the top thingy, and then set the compass to any convenient width. Do that, and draw an arc across each leg, so when you're holding it, hold at the top, and then just move the paper. And then compass can be adjusted at this point if you want, but I don't need to, so then from where an arc crosses a leg, make an arc in the ankle's interiors like this. Okay. Then repeat on the other side without adjusting the width. So it creates intersecting. Draw a line to cue from where the arcs cross with your straight edge ruler. done. This line that we just drew bisects angle PQR. So to construct an equilateral triangle, you start with segment AB, and then you mark a point P somewhere, and that will be one of the vertices of the triangle. And then you set the compass to the desired length on AB. And then from P, you draw an arc near both of the other just to like create the other vertexes or the other corners of a triangle. To hold the compass, you take it by like the thingy at the top, and then just like move the paper. Okay. Mark point Q on either of the arcs to be the next vertex. Q. Without changing the width. Move to Q and draw an arc across the other one, creating an R. Oops, I held it the wrong way. There we go. I just didn't draw the arc long enough on this one. And then draw 3 lines linking P, Q, and R. And now you have a triangle PQR, and it has the side length equal to segment AB.
Hey, so I'm going to be constructing a square with my circle. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a straight edge, of course, because you have to draw straight lines. And you're going to need a compass, and you are going to need a pencil. I'm using a Sharpie so then you'll be able to see my lines better. And yeah, so let's get started. So you have a square with a dot in the middle, because if it doesn't have a dot in the middle, I suggest you put a dot in the middle. It always helps have a dot in the middle of the circle. So yeah, it just helps when you're drawing through the center. So we're going to label the dot O. This is going to be O. And so first we're going to draw a dot on anywhere on the circle. I usually like to go like straight across right here. Just gonna draw a knot, and we're gonna call that A. And then next we're going to take our straight edge and we're going to put it on the circle. And then we are going to draw a line straight through the middle of the circle. And we're going to call this new dot that we just drew C. Let's make that dot just a bit bigger. So we have A, O, and C so far. So the next thing you're going to do is you are going to take your compass and make sure you hold your compass at the top, or else it'll just go in and that'll not be great for accuracy. You do not want floppy lines. So the first you're going to do is you're going to put the pointy part on point A, and you're just going to go a little bit over it, just not too much, just a little bit over. And you're just going to draw an arc, and you're going to do the same thing on the top, draw an arc, and then you're going to do the same thing over C, draw an arc, and draw an arc. And then I just like to put points in the middle of these arcs. See where they like cross? I don't think you can see it, but they cross like right there, right where I'm putting the dots is right where they cross. So then you're going to draw a line straight through those dots. Whoa, crazy, am I right? Draw a line straight through there, boom. And the next thing you are going to do is you are going to draw lines between each point until you have made a square. So, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada bam, and there is a square made from a circle. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to copy a line segment. So of course you're going to need a straight edge, a compass, and a pencil, but I'm using a Sharpie so that way then you will be able to see my mark better because pencil's kind of hard to see on this paper. I really suggest that you use a pencil though when you do this because you will make mistakes, so it's easy to erase when you have a pencil, and just use pencil. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to make a dot, and let's just call this dot P. Okay. And so then you are going to take your compass and you are going to put your compass right here on dot D. The pointy edge goes on dot D. And then you're going to take the other edge and put it on dot H. Then you're going to move it over to dot P. And make sure that you have your hand or fingers on the top of the compass. So I have it on the top of the compass. Make sure they're on the top of the compass, or else weird things will happen, and you do not want those weird things to happen. So then you're just gonna draw an arc, and I don't think you can see it, but there's an arc like right here. And then you're just gonna draw a dot anywhere on the arc. And then you're just gonna take your straight edge. You're just gonna draw a line straight across, like so. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom. And that is how you copy a line segment. Thank you so much for watching, and happy constructing!